You're scrolling through YouTube, your finger hovering over the endless sea of thumbnails. Among the cacophony of influencers and vloggers, one face stands out. He's holding an iced coffee, and the title promises to unveil the secrets of financial freedom. You click, and suddenly you're not just watching a video, you're entering a universe. A universe where personal finance isn't a chore. It's an adventure, a game, a challenge to be conquered. This is the world of Stephan, the man who's made finance cool again. But who is Stephan really? How did a young man from Santa Monica transform himself into a real estate tycoon and a YouTube sensation? And most importantly, what's the magic formula that makes him so compelling? Stephan was born on April 22nd, 1990, in the sunny city of Santa Monica, California. But don't let the idyllic setting fool you. His journey to success was anything but a walk on the beach. Graham's father was an animator, writer, and story artist for Disney. Despite his father's success in the movie industry, Graham was raised in a middle-class family, instilling in him the values of hard work and perseverance from a young age. Growing up, Graham was always eager to explore the world, but the feeling was somewhat different. While others were busy building sandcastles, Graham was building dreams that would one day make him a household name in the world of real estate and personal finance. As he navigated through his teenage years, Graham was exposed to a variety of experiences that shaped his perspective on life and success. His father's career in animation and storytelling had a profound impact on him, teaching him the importance of creativity and innovation. But it wasn't just his father's influence that guided him. Graham was a self-starter, always on the lookout for opportunities to learn and grow. But then, how did a young boy from Santa Monica, raised in a middle-class family, go on to become a millionaire real estate mogul and YouTube sensation? The answer lies in a unique blend of ambition, hard work, and a dash of serendipity. Before Stephan became the real estate superstar that he is today, he had another career path in mind: drumming. Yes, you read that right, drumming. But life had other plans for him. At the age of 13, Graham took up a job at a marine aquarium store. This wasn't just any job. It was an experience that would shape his future in ways he couldn't have imagined. Working at the marine aquarium store was more than just a way to earn some extra pocket money. It was here that Graham explored his entrepreneurial interests. He helped the store owner keep an inventory of the exotic fish that were imported and exported. This experience taught him valuable lessons in business management, customer relations, and most importantly, the art of the deal. As he spent more time at the aquarium, Graham realized that he had a knack for business. He was good at it, and he enjoyed it. But while the world of exotic fish was fascinating, it was the world of real estate that truly caught his eye. At the age of 18, Graham made a life-changing decision. At the time, Stephan chose to forgo college and instead obtained his real estate license. This decision marked the beginning of an illustrious career with the Oppenheim Group in Los Angeles, a renowned real estate firm featured in the Netflix series Selling Sunset. His dedication to the craft was evident when he willingly took on deals that other agents overlooked, especially leases. While many saw these as low-profit transactions, Stephan viewed them as opportunities to gain experience. This mindset paid off when, just 8 months into his career, he represented a buyer in a $3.5 million Beverly Hills home sale. Such successes solidified his decision to stay in real estate, and by the age of 26, he had achieved a net worth of $1 million. While real estate was the foundation of Stephan's success, YouTube played a pivotal role in catapulting him to international fame. His journey on the platform began in December 2016, dedicating 40 to 50 hours a week to content creation. Despite the initial slow growth, with earnings of just $26,000 in 2017, his persistence paid off. A significant turning point came with a video review of the JP Morgan Reserve credit card, which went viral and significantly boosted his channel's visibility. By 2019, his monthly earnings from YouTube averaged $81,428, with some months seeing figures as high as $136,330. Stephan's content is not just about real estate or finance. It's a reflection of his life and interests. From drumming, a passion he pursued before real estate, to sharing insights about his personal life, his channel offers a diverse range of content. This authenticity, combined with his expertise, has resonated with millions, making him a YouTube sensation. Despite the fame and fortune of YouTube, Stephan remains grounded. He believes that passion should be the driving force behind content creation, with money being a byproduct. His advice to budding YouTubers is to focus on consistently producing new content, as this is where the majority of income is generated. But did you know he's also a podcast host? Stephan co-hosts the Iced Coffee Hour with Jack Selby, a podcast that has garnered a significant following on platforms like YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and even TikTok. The show covers a wide range of topics, from personal finance to lifestyle, and has featured a variety of guests, including entrepreneurs, influencers, and experts in various fields. The podcast's name, The Iced Coffee Hour, might sound casual, but don't let that fool you. The discussions are anything but trivial. Graham and Jack dive deep into complex topics, breaking them down into digestible bits for their audience. Whether it's dissecting the intricacies of cryptocurrency or exploring the nuances of real estate investment, the duo makes sure to provide value in each episode. What sets the Iced Coffee Hour apart from other podcasts is this very unique blend of entertainment and education. Stephan is a man of many talents, and his current projects for 2023 are a testament to his diverse interests and investment strategies. According to various sources, Graham has a well-thought-out investment plan for the year, which includes a diversified portfolio. He plans to allocate 35% to equities, 35% to real estate, 22% to treasuries, 4% to alternative assets, and 3% to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But what's truly fascinating is his shift in focus within the real estate sector. Graham is turning his attention to commercial real estate, a move influenced by the 13% drop in commercial property prices. Unlike residential real estate, where the landlord is responsible for taxes, insurance, and maintenance, commercial real estate allows tenants to bear these costs. This strategic move frees up Graham's time to focus on other projects, making it a win-win situation. Graham is also dabbling in unconventional assets. He has invested in a Ford GT and a Tesla Roadster, both of which have appreciated in value since their purchase. While he doesn't recommend going all in on such exotic investments, it's clear that Graham is willing to explore different avenues to diversify his portfolio. His investment strategies are not just about numbers. They reflect his evolving understanding of the market and his willingness to adapt. He takes inspiration from the late David Swensen, emphasizing the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket and understanding the opportunity cost of not investing in stocks. Graham's approach to investment is holistic, considering various factors like market trends, asset allocation, and even psychological aspects like risk tolerance. But what's next in the narrative of Stephan's life? While his newsletter and social media platforms provide regular updates on his activities, making it easier for followers to stay in the loop, one thing's for sure: Stephan is a man who never stops evolving, and his next chapter is bound to be as riveting as the last. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.